2 words for you. Storage.
Oh, auction.
Pirate. Dude, Daddy. This is the unit, $900. I was intrigued. Looked like old person stuff. Found this sitting in here. One of my absolute favorite things to do in this business is bust a safe open. Kind of heavy to tell what's in there, but can't tell if there is anything, so we got to do it. Probably cost $150, $200 to get that opened up. The safe is only worth a few $100s. This is exactly why I buy storage units. You can see one video I made where I opened up a safe with 26 grand. I've been chasing that dragon ever since. For moments like this. Wish me luck. All right, here goes nothing.
Put your safety glasses on. Oh, your phone.
Oh, my phone. Did you guys see that out there?
Away from your phone, so you.
It's a heavy one.
Yeah, it's a good one. Huh? Guess you're getting something.
Key to opening up a safe is break the combination first. Break this off.
Sucker's doing damage. Oh, right. The door is splitting. But that doesn't mean it's going to open. That's just the outer shell. Yeah. Yeah.
Let's see. Did you do any prying?
That's a DeWalt pry bar there, folks. The best pry bars money can buy.
Oh, we got narration.
And this is a cheap pry bar from Home Depot. Oh, you got her.
No. Not yet.
Hammer the other end in.
What end?
Hammer the other end of it in. Look at hammer this end in.
Oh.
That's why it's made. You go like this.
We are not able to hammer. Oh.
Go like that. Now hammer it in. You just tap. Don't hammer. Just tap. There you go. Oh, a little more. No, it's not gonna come in.
Okay. I know what to do then.
You're close. Just keep going what you're doing. There you go. You're almost there. Woo-hoo!
You gotta be inside.
Oh, that's the other layer there. This one's got it started. No, that's just the top layer.
Yeah, but once you peel that back. Gotta break this handle off.
Yeah.
I think I'm hitting the handle more than the... Okay, I beat the. Take a quick breather here. Out of breath. Dan brings a 50-pound sledgehammer. That's how you do it. In there. One lock's busted. I think it's the one right here that's holding it.
That looks like the main.
Well, that's not even the door I'm trying to open. It's right here.
No, you're taking the whole thing out. There you go.
Nothing.
Empty. Stone cold empty. Son of a bitch.
Well, I guess we're gonna continue chasing the dragon because there was nothing in that son of a bitch.